Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my second video of 2020. I just did like a really simple copper glam, so if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just stay tuned. I just filmed the eye portion because I know you guys have seen me done my whole full-on face, but if you guys want to see my whole full-on face in every tutorial, then just let me know in the comments. But if not, then I'll just like film the little eyeshadow section only, you know, unless I do have time I'll film like everything. But this morning I was running a little late, so you know, I just filmed the eye portion. It's currently 8 p.m. and my makeup still looks really good, so I only used one palette. My go-to palette, it's the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy. The colors are freaking amazing and they just blend out so freaking good, so you know, I was like, why not use it in this tutorial? Yeah, I hope you guys like this video and let's get started. All right, so we're just gonna start doing our eyeshadow. This is like my quick glam, like my glam that I usually do when I want to look really cute really fast, you know, under like 20 minutes. It's like super easy. I already moisturized my eyelids with my moisturizer. I'm just gonna go in with my concealer to prime my eyelids. And I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm just gonna blend it in with my beauty blender. You guys are gonna see me transform. Why is my voice acting hella stupid? I always talk like that in the morning. It's so dumb. My voice always gets like freaking raspy and it sounds like a man. And I'm gonna be using my gingerbread palette. I'm sorry guys, I just keep using it because I really love this palette. I can't get enough of it. It's like when you can't get enough of that good. I'm just kidding. And we're doing soft glam and it has all the perfect shades for a soft quick glam. I'm gonna go in with Soft and Sweet, and we're gonna use this as our transition color. So just blend that in on your eyelids. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I already see that I'm gonna need like another lighter shade to blend it in because I feel like this is getting patchy already. So I'm just gonna go in with this soft color right here. It's called Plenty of Dough. And just blend that on the top just so we can blend that little patch of color in. But I'm gonna go in back with Soft and Sweet and just blend that in. Okay, so I think that's pretty good for this eye. I'm gonna go in with the other eye and just blend that eyeshadow in. So happy because now I changed my light bulbs on my vanity. Like now I can film a lot more. All I have to do is wake up and do my makeup. So I'm gonna go in with Cinnamon. It's this color right here. So focus this on the crease. This is just gonna help give a little more definition. It's gonna intensify the look without, you know, being too dramatic on it. And I love how these colors blend in so freaking amazing. I feel like I need to intensify a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. I'm just gonna go in with Gingerbread Glam. It's like a browner shade. It's not the darkest brown in the palette, but it's like a brown. And we're just gonna add this in the center of the crease, just so we can intensify the center a lot more. Now we're gonna go in with a shimmery color, and I'm gonna go in with Lick the Spoon, and it's this champagne shimmery color. Apply this on my eyelids. It makes it look like you tried so hard for this look, but it was the most easiest look. You could do it in your sleep, girl. And we don't have to be precise with this color. You can just honestly add it there, and if it gets on top, it gets on top, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. And then we can go back with cinnamon and give a little more to the look. Just blend that cinnamon color like on the crease, and then like just in case the shimmery got there, you know, it's gonna like blend in with that. And then let's go in with plenty of dough and just blend the top real fast. Trust me, even though you think like you're not doing shit, by doing that you're doing something so big. I'm just gonna start doing my face makeup and I'll be back with the final look. So I'm back and this is the final look. You know, you're ready for the night. This is like the look you do when you're gonna go have a real quick girls night out, or you're gonna go to a, you know, family dinner, or if you're gonna go see your ex-boyfriend, or if you're gonna go see your, you know, your grandparents and you want to look cute. I'm just kidding, but yeah, it's just a simple quick look that, you know, it complements every skin tone. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on your bell notifications on so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a video. And I'll be back with another makeup tutorial, and I think that's about it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.